Welcome to Stories Explained. My name is Kayla, and I will talk about the core concepts of stories and how the features of stories can position you ahead of the competition and help you to close more deals. Stories improve sales content creation, content management, engaging with customers and prospects virtually, and sharing sales material that transports your message in the most impactful way. And on top of all this, delivers insights into what they are most interested in. If you know whom to target, stories is the best way to inspire, connect, engage, and close more deals. So let us go to the core concept of stories. Stories is a platform made for sales with a focus on delivering in the most impactful way digitally engagements with prospects. To be fast and good, you need to be prepared and structured. Therefore, at the start, you upload and import all your digital assets, such as logos, product images, graphics, and videos, into the asset library. This enables you to access these assets when you need them without leaving the app or searching on a cloud drive. The design team can manage the asset library independently and make them available to the different teams when ready, so they can work with these assets when building the sales material. One of the significant differences between stories and regular presentation tools is the usage and life cycle of slides, called scenes. Slides are always hardwired with a presentation and do not exist alone. In stories, the concept of scenes is that scenes are independent of the presentation. Within stories, you develop a library of scenes used in presentations. If you update a scene, all presentations with the scene will be automatically updated. This concept makes your life easier, as you do not have to update all the slides in the relevant presentations. All scenes you have created are stored in the scene library. You can define who can use the scenes, but also set a team or an individual user to collaborate on the development of a scene. This means that a designer, a copywriter, and a product specialist can work together on the same scene and build impressive, visually appealing, and understandable sales content. You can still edit your scenes when needed. You only have to create a new version, and you do not have to be worried that the presentations that use the scenes are impacted while editing. Only when you activate a version will all presentations using this scene be updated. We now come to the step where we build presentations and use scenes from the library. A presentation in stories is represented by a storybook. The storybook is an essential element in the sales process and is used by sales reps. The storybook is a collection of scenes, images, videos, or other content. You can still create scenes individually for a storybook, but the best practice is that you reuse scenes from the library. The output of the storybook is an interactive website built automatically from your scenes and content. The storybook can be used within the integrated video conferencing platform tailored to sales, or when sharing with prospects. No need to worry more about the size of your sales deck and the content quality when you share or present the storybook. Lastly, we will explain best practices for working with stories in the workflow to build the most impactful and impressive sales content and empower sales reps to generate replicable deal closing success. First, we start with the creative direction, where the creative and design team fills the asset library with all the relevant images, videos, and logos and maintains the design assets. The design team can also start with building scene templates that can be used when developing scenes. Scene templates help to keep a standard visual structure and speed up scene development. The second step is content production. Within this step, the product or subject matter expert starts building scenes with the creative team and a copywriter. The product or subject matter expert is the scene owner and will keep the content updated. The third step is creating the sales material, where the sales leader assembles storybooks used by the sales reps. The sales leader also frequently reviews the insights from shared storybooks and refines the storybook so that sales content improves. The last step is that the sales rep sets up meetings with prospects and uses the storybooks or shares the storybooks directly. The sales rep can create storybooks tailored to the customer by reusing scenes from the scene library or now from the predefined storybooks. Reuse of pre-approved scenes and content is the key to success and speed. With storybooks, you can tailor presentations to customers or prospects in seconds instead of hours, but still keep the high quality and know that content is updated. Now that you have the design and the content, it's time to blow the socks off your clients. Thank you for listening to Stories Explained.